Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. So remember our letter for the week was the letter C. I remember our story was that Miss Hendry had a lot of cats, and one of her kitty cats had a hairball, and she said k. The letter C says k. So we're going to look at all of these pictures, and we're going to circle the ones that start with the k sound. All right, so let's look at this one right here. All right, this is a picture of a k couch. Do you hear k at the beginning of k couch? Yes, me too. So Miss Hendry's going to circle it. All right. What about this one? This is the letter, or this is a picture of a pig. Pig. Do you hear the sound at the beginning of pig? No, I don't. What about this one right here? This is a picture of a cat. Cat. Do you hear at the beginning of cat? I do. Good job. So I'm going to circle it. This one is a picture of a dog. Dog. Do you hear the sound at the beginning of dog? No, I don't either. I hear the d sound. All right, this one is a car. Do you hear the sound at the beginning of car? Good, me too. All right, and this one is a picture of a cookie. Do you hear at the beginning of cookie? Good, I do too. Good, so we're going to circle it. All right, sweet friends, so we have couch, cat, car, and cookie.